In this video, I will explain to you how we work out the area of a triangle. So as to calculate the area of the triangle, we got a base length of 14 centimeters, a height, a vertical height, a perpendicular height of 9 centimeters. We got the area, guys, is going to equal to the base times the height, all divided by 2. Okay, so that's going to be 14 times 9 all over 2. Let's just simplify this, so divide top and bottom by 2, so cancel that with that. That goes to 1, that goes to 7. Now I have 7 times 9 is 63, so I have 63 over 1, which is equal to 63 centimeters squared. That, guys, is my final answer.